Has this ever happened to you? How about this? Well, now there has been a new breakthrough in beverage technology.
Drink-O-Matic 5000.
Drink-O-Matic 5000 was carefully engineered by engineers to assist you in your drinking activities. No need to worry about the hassles of opening and pouring a drink. Just place your bottled beverage into the machine, hit the button, and let Drink-O-Matic 5000 do the work for you. Drink-O-Matic 5000 has changed many lives. You could be next.
If it weren't for the Drink-O-Matic, I'd probably be dead by now. Or hopelessly sober.
Drink-O-Matic 5000 has many other functions as well. Just use your imagination.